Hello, my name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk about the Philips Hand Blender. This unique device comes with a single operation button and lets you create new sort of cuisines on a daily basis and lets you experiment with new menus. So let's get started with the unboxing of this Philips Hand Blender. As you can see, we have here with us the Philips Hand Blender. This is a green colored box over here, and it's quite tall, as you can see, because hand blenders are usually much taller in profile, and you have the motor which fits in with the blades. So let's talk about the features. So as you can see, this box already has the look and feel of the product. You can see there's a single operation button, right? It's blue in color and it's got a dual tone touch. So you've got a nice white flavor added into the between parts of the hand blender, and then at the top you have a nice touch of blue as well. So just adding a bit of I guess premiumness, because what you're looking at is a product which doesn't need to be looking dull, which is why I think it's good that they've added a different kind of variety there. At the bottom you have the blade which fits in, and you can definitely replace them easily, and you also get extra blades for whipping and whisking, so that's a definite bonus here. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside here. As you can see, again, as we mentioned, it's going to be a tall thing to use, and it's nicely wrapped inside this cover, and you have this white colored Philips Hand Blender with, as we mentioned, the blue button over here. This is for the single operation, and the blue at the top is there just to add a bit of different touch to it, because otherwise it's a plain yellow hand blender. At the bottom you have this blade. You can easily replace them, and you have these replacement blades which are available inside the box, so that's always an added bonus. Apart from that, you have this warranty card. So now the thing with warranty cards is that these are products which have motors inside this, and motors are something which can definitely have some problems. So what you can easily do is you can use this warranty card, head over to a nearest Philips store and get it repaired at free of cost if it happens within the warranty period. In addition to this, you also have this unique pad over here. So this basically what it does is it lets you hold up the hand blender easily. You can park it somewhere inside your kitchen, and you can just make sure that you are not keeping it idle anywhere lying flat on the floor. Apart from that, you have the cable which is attached. So what you get is a powered support. It doesn't support battery. So what you have to do is you'll have to plug this into the power socket, and in order to use this one. Then in addition to this, you also have, as we mentioned, blades. The hand blender offers you a power support of 250 watts. So this is a powerful motor, and the power support that you get is 230V. So you need to understand that this will be a bit heavy on your electricity consumption, but nevertheless what you get is a different set of menus that you can try around on a daily basis, and I think this is a must-have in your kitchen armory. So this here is the Philips Hand Blender. We have this model over here with us that comes with a single operation button, and you get power support of 250 watts through the motor that's built into this hand blender. You get extra blades as well, and the blade support here fits in at the bottom of this one. So this is the hand blender. For more videos on a daily basis, lets you create new kind of cuisines on a daily basis, and you have two extra blades that you can try out for whipping and whisking of different items as well. So here are the top features of this hand blender. So this Philips Hand Blender, as you can see over here with us, it's got a white color touch along with a blue touches in between. This is the single operation button that you have. So basically what Philips is doing is it's letting you create new sort of cuisines on a daily basis, hot or cold, without any kind of complication. So it's very easy to use. You just have to press this button and get started. So at the bottom you have the place where the blades fit in, and Philips offers this as a rust-free thing. So you're making sure that even though you're putting in iron rods over here, it's not going to rust. So that's a very handy thing. You have these extra blades that help you with whisking and whipping. So again, adding more options to your kind of palette that you can add into your menu and try different things. And hot and cold means that you can try it around different times times of the year, depending on what season you are in. In addition to this, in terms of the way that it works is that you have this power cord that it's attached over to the hand blender, and it supports 230V power wattage, and the motor inside built into this hand blender offers 250 watt. So the power wattage of this motor is 250 watt, and the power voltage, that means when you connect it to the power socket, it's going to consume 230V of power on a single basis whenever you're using it. In addition to this, you also have the stand, and it's easy to clean. As you can see, it's a very simple format over here. So you just have to clean up the blades over here and make sure that it's ready for use next time all over again. Apart from that, what you also have is this is a made in India product, so that's always a handy thing. And in addition to this, you have a brand which is known for its durability, so it's quite sturdy in hand as well, and it will make sure that when you're using it, it doesn't give you a lot of vibrations, and that's something also which is handy, especially when you're going to use it so much on a daily basis. So as you can see, this hand blender is quite a multitasker. You can create hot and cold items in less than 20 minutes, and you also have these two extra blades that help you whisking and whipping items, so just to add more variety into your daily cuisine. So this is the Philips hand blender. For more videos, stay